Hitachi WH10 DFL impact driver, part of the 12 volt peak series. Nice and compact, very small, only 6 inches, just less than 6 inches from one side to the other. Weighs only 2.2 pounds. Very nice design, ergonomically designed. Grip feels really nice. It's nice and thin, very slim. The green rubber feels really good and gives good protection for the tool. The torque delivered is 840 inch-pounds, and it spins at 0 to 2500 RPMs and delivers 0 to 3000 impacts per minute. It has a 1/4 inch quick release chuck and a nice lead that starts working even before the chuck is spinning. Trigger feels very nice and smooth, accurate, and direction controls can be operated without changing the grip. Comes with a 1.5 amp hour 12 volt battery, easy on and off. This tool comes with a lifetime warranty by Hitachi, and the battery has a 2-year warranty. For our power test, we'll check how long it takes to drive these 30 hex bolts into this piece of wood. We're using for the 12 volt a 1/4 inch and 1.5 inch long hex bolt. Let's try it out. It took us 3 minutes 42 seconds to drive 30 hex bolts into this piece of wood, and the sound level recorded, the max was 107.9 decibels. The Hitachi 12 volt peak. Now we'll continue driving bolts till the battery dries out. Let's see how many we can get on one battery charge. Endurance test, 47.5 bolts till the 1.5 amp hour 12 volt battery died. So the Hitachi gave us 47.5 bolts. Battery charge time. Let's check how long it takes to charge the battery from 0 to 100%. Red light charging. Get back to you once it's done. Time is running.